This is what you want, a high-end, high-converting affiliate marketing landing page with the right titles, the right description, with tracking in place so that you can track your conversions, you can track your leads, you can track the clicks, you can track where the traffic is coming from. That all forms part of a highly effective affiliate marketing landing page. Hi there, my friend Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, I will be showing you how to create an affiliate marketing landing page. Now, what you will learn within this specific video is things like high converting titles, high converting, highly optimized, very visual landing pages, and then tracking at the same time in order for you to track properly where the traffic is coming from, how many leads you are getting, how many clicks converts into leads, how many leads then from there on goes through your entire sales funnel, your sales process, and that in turn basically creates sales for you or generates sales for you. Now within this specific video, I want you to watch the entire video. Very important. I will show you what you can do what you can use in order to create high converting affiliate marketing landing pages. Very, very important. And at the same time is also how to get highly converting traffic sources, all basically within one place, one system. You don't have to go all over the place and search the internet like crazy and like mad in order to find the right system, the correct central hub, the perfect central place in order for you to get all your information from. So let's delve right into it. Before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. I want you to take a few seconds, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. So who am I? I am Errol Muller. I am the owner and the founder of Empire Digest. If you head over to empiredigest.com, I will also leave a link in the description below this video. It will bring you to this homepage. And if you're interested in making more money, then this is for you. So what you're about to learn within this video is basically an example of what you are about to see when you land on empiredigest.com and you click the show me how to make money. Once you've clicked the show me how to make money button, at the time of me shooting this video, it will bring you over to this page. Now this is a highly converting, highly optimized affiliate marketing landing page. And if you want to create something very similar to this, powerful like this, then stay tuned. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. Reason being, I want as many people as possible to watch this video. I want it to rank as high as possible in the search engine in order to help more individuals like yourself watching this video so that they can also get access to this type of information, exactly what you are getting access to now. Now, let's get right into it. I'm quickly going to head over to my website, empiredigest.com, and then I want to click on the tools page. Okay, so let's do this. While on this, I'm going to head over to the back end of this hub and show you how you can create a very professional hub like this and how you can create high converting landing pages with the same hub, with the same back end. So heading back to the back end. So this is just a basic tutorials page that I've created in order to show you how you can quickly set up an affiliate marketing landing page. And what you want to do is this is called eStage. It's part of a hub. It's a hub model. You can call it a website. We call it a hub, whatever you want to call it. And once you go, let me show you how you get access to eStage. What you will do is you will head over to empiredigest.com. You can either get access to the affiliate business system through the homepage, or what you can also do is you can head over to the tools page, as you can see right here, which will bring you to this page at the time of me shooting this video. And then you can scroll down and click on the affiliate business system. You can click on the learn more button and it will bring you over to this live event page in order for you to register, go through the process, and when you decide to become part of the affiliate business system, you will go through certain modules in order to help you set up your business model. And within that, you will also get access to something very exciting, something else. Let me share with you quickly. Once you've gone through the entire process of the affiliate business system and you've actually made your purchase and you decided to become part of the community and become part of this setting up your own very successful, highly profitable passive income business, you will basically get access to the backend of 4%.com. Now, in the backend, this is the affiliate business system. And once you click on the access training, you will be presented with a page very similar to this one, and you will have to go through every single one of these steps. Now, one of them, which is module number 3, you will get access or basically be presented with eStage, which is this right here, the builder, in order for you to set up your hub and create your highly converting landing pages. Now, at the same time, while going through the affiliate business system, you will also be presented with the Internet Traffic Mastery course. Now, what does that consist of? The Internet Traffic Mastery course is exactly this. It's called Internet Traffic Mastery. It's a bundle. You can buy them individually, which will cost you $497 for each one of these courses. This one, List Building Mastery, Communication and Copywriting Mastery, Conversion Mastery, every single one of them I just want to see something quickly. Okay, yeah, will cost you $497. Now, if you want to, you can buy the entire bundle, which will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 of these courses in one for one price of $497. At the time of me shooting this video, the price will increase. I know that for a fact because I've been with Vic for many years, since the year 2015 when I've actually joined him, and I know when he says he's going to increase the price, he will increase the price. So this is full on. This is related to affiliate marketing landing pages. Well, how do you get the traffic to those landing pages? How do you set up the correct landing pages, which is part of your list building mastery? So getting the traffic, what do you do with that traffic? How do you communicate with the traffic? How do you convert the traffic once they've gone through your landing page, your entire sales process? How do you convert them into sales? And then from there is to continue building your tribe, to continue developing, growing with your tribe, helping them to achieve success, helping them to make money, helping them to become a better version of themselves. So you can just assist. You cannot do it for them, although you can assist. So I just have to share that with you because that is the power behind the affiliate business system. When you decide to go through the affiliate business system in order to set up your high converting landing pages. Now, back to the builder, which will be part of the affiliate business system, like I explained just now. Let me quickly show you how simple it is to set up a highly converting landing page. Now, what you can do is, this is a blank page that I've just created. So when you click anywhere on the page, you will see it highlights the blocks, and then you've got empty blocks, alert bar, header, hero section, block, feed, footer. Now, if you click the hero section, these are pre-created templates that you can edit to your style. Add your pictures, add your titles, your subject lines, your call to actions, whatever you want to do. So this is the simplest way of a landing page that is already set for you. And the nice thing about this is you don't want to create landing pages that is not on your domain. Reason being, you want to build everything around a central hub, which is very similar to what I'm doing here. Empire Digest is my central hub, and you want your people, your leads, your everybody to go to that central hub all the time on your domain. So your landing page needs to be on your domain. Just a tip from me to you, especially when you start doing advertising with Google, YouTube, Facebook, they don't like you sending traffic to a direct landing page anymore, especially something that is not on your domain. And they want to see websites, hubs, very similar to this one. So for instance, I send traffic to, as an example, to empiredigest.com. They will land on this page. Now, Google, YouTube, Instagram, everybody, Facebook will have a look at this page to make sure that it's not only a landing page. If I did not have anything else at the bottom, for instance, this section here at the bottom, home, webinars, blog, live, courses, tools, etc., they would see this and these 4 buttons right here. They would see it as just a landing page, and they will decline your marketing, your funnel, your advert. They will decline it. They don't want you to send. Everything is changing. The market is changing. The internet is changing. Google is changing. YouTube, Facebook, everybody is changing. So they want to see a business behind that landing page, a proper business, not just a landing page on any URL. Now you can go over to, let's go back to the tools page. Let's quickly head over to tools. If you want to create high converting landing pages as well, you are more than welcome. Where it says, if you scroll down, it says list building. You can use get response to build landing pages. You can use Clickly. I can't remember if with Clickly you can build your own landing pages. I know with lead pages you can. You can use lead pages if you want to build your own highly converting landing pages, and then you can check them out. But in this case, we want to make sure that everything is within one system, one place. You don't have to go all over, create accounts with everybody out there in order to create one landing page. So you can do all of that within one central place, and that's called the affiliate business system. Okay, so back to eStage Builder. For example purposes, I'm going to quickly head over to, I don't want to do it from scratch. I'm going to select a template that's already pre-populated for you. Click on the Euro section. Once you've clicked the Euro section, it will bring up different types of templates. As you can see, there's a few different types of templates, and it just gets more and more and more. As we are building, as each stage is developing and creating more for you, they are adding templates for you to use out of the box. So in this case, let's quickly select the very first one. The nav block already exists, and then I just say yes, and then there we go. That is a landing page, and it's all editable. Very simple. Now you can go search the people in order to create a highly successful website hub like I just shared with you, Empire Digest, and these types of landing pages. There's businesses charging you anywhere from $30,000 all the way up to $100,000 and more to create a very professional website looking like this and landing pages like this. And you can get access to all of this for as little as, I think it's $497, starting at $497, all within one place. You don't have to pay $130,000 in order to create your landing pages and highly effective websites. Now, as you can see, this is the navigation bar with all your blog, contact, resources, everything. Now, you can see it's hidden, because what you want to do is, if it's a funnel, you don't really want people to see your navigation bar. You don't want them to click off of your funnel. So they will only basically see this, literally just this. And once you've selected your template, you can now go ahead and create highly converting titles and say, urgent. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Opportunity, typing and creating videos at the same time. It does get quite confusing. Urgent, this is once in a lifetime opportunity. 3 dots, and this urgent, look at this. Highlight just the urgent. We can go ahead. We can change the color of just the title, and we want to make the color. Let's quickly go. I want to change the text color. Where is it now? Shadows, animation, spanning, and inverse. And no, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for just the color. I don't want to spend time and keep you for too long, but there is a certain section that you can literally quickly go ahead and just change the text color. Text shadow. Okay, that's the shadow of text. I don't want to change the text shadow. I just want to change the color. Let's say font styling, and then it's not the full. I don't want to do the full. Okay, anyway, I will find it, and then I'll create a separate video, but very simple. You can change the colors, you can change the title, and you will learn all of this within the affiliate business system. And like I shared with you, once in the back end, you will get things like internet traffic mastery that shows you how to get the traffic, and then it will open up the modules, and you can go through every single one of these modules. See it like I don't want to use the word Bible, but let's say you can call it a Bible around traffic, what you do with the traffic, how you get the traffic, converting landing pages. So yeah, list building mastery. Once you're in the list building mastery and you decided to get the bundle, it goes and takes you through it step by step. Look at page builder, tools, autoresponder, tracking, what you have to do with it all. So what I'm sharing with you is just a very basic model of what you will learn within this entire course. Now back to eStage Builder, you can edit everything. Look here, you can, if you want to and you want to make a quick copy of something that you've created, you like this, you can literally click on the sub headline and you can make a copy. Look at that. How simple is that? You've got a duplicate. If you want to have 2 buttons, copy, you've got 2 buttons. Then you can add, you can adjust what you want to see on that. Do you only want to see an email address, or do you want to add a name as well? Then you can say add list item. Look there, it immediately populates it for you, and then you can go ahead, you can edit that, and you can then say we want to change the name. So instead of item 2, the name, we want to call this name. Okay, that is text area, number, email, that still stays text. Then you've got your name, label, what you want, and then you say name. As you can see, as I'm typing, it's already changing for you, name. And then within the section, like the enter email address here, you can go ahead and then you can, on the form fields, it will bring this up for you. Then you can change what you want to input in the form fields. You can change the text, you can change everything. And then if you want to direct your button somewhere, you just click on the button. In this case, once you've selected the button, look at this, you want to head over to form. We're working with the form element, and then we're going to go to the button. We click on the button, okay, to make sure we are working with the button. Form element, we scroll down, that's the form button actions. You can drop down form button actions. What action do you want to do? Drop down, you want to, for instance, redirect it. Where do we want to redirect it? Click the redirect drop down. What page do you want to do it to? I want to say custom link, and I, for instance, want to direct it to https Empire Digest, and I want somebody to see it on a new tab. What I do is I say save. Let's quickly save it, and then I want to show you how it redirects. Then I want to say view online. Let's quickly view this specific page we've just created online. Look at that. How professional is that? You can, like I said, you can hide the header in the back end as well. So what you do is, let me quickly show you. Where is that? There's it. The flex wrapper, navigation bar, and then you can header. You can hide the header as well. Nav bar layout. There's a section that you can hide the navigation bar. Then it will bring it up. Then in that section you won't be able to see. And there we've created a highly converting landing page. If we click on the subscribe for free tips, click on it, it will say fill out your email address. Let's do this at gmail.com quickly. Let's click subscribe for more free tips, and look at that, it immediately directs me over to empiredigest.com, exactly what we just created on this. Very simple. Give this video a like, please. If you have any other questions, leave me a comment below this video. Let me know give me your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on this. What do you think about this? Do you think it's awesome? Do you think it's something that will change your life, change your business overnight like this? Let me know. I'd highly appreciate that. And then do check out Empire Digest. Once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you. May you watching this video be blessed with a wonderful, happy, healthy, financially successful, good, loving, prosperous life going forward. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.